Diamond, stop! Alexa, show me the living room.
Did you leave the garage open? Did you let the dog out? Did you put the groceries away? Meet Nest Cam. You can set it up and connect it to Wi-Fi in less than a minute and see your home in beautiful high-definition video. Use it to solve mysteries, the big ones and the little ones. You'll get an alert if there's motion or sound, and you can talk back.
Henry, bad boy, off.
It lets you see once the lights go out, so you can take care of the things that go bump in the night. And with a Nest Aware subscription, you can even go back in time to save the moments you want to remember. Nest Cam. Keep an eye on what matters to you, from anywhere.
Introducing Canary Flex, the wire-free, weatherproof HD camera that takes security to unimaginable places. Beautiful inside or outside. On sunny days, or braving the elements. Plugged in or wire-free, in the middle of the night or the middle of a story. Seeing what's up or down. Catching furry little criminals, or watching your new vase being delivered. Working alone or as part of a family. For here, down here, up here, here, or there, under here, up here, there, or even in here. You know, with the valuables. For a million different things, engineered into one beautifully designed package. Canary Flex, the inside or outside, plugged in or wire-free, weatherproof HD security camera. Canary, live life in the know.
Arlo wire-free cameras are the first and only smart home security system with crystal clear HD video and 100% wire-free, which can be used indoors or outdoors. Arlo is easy to use and installs in under 10 minutes. To begin the installation, first connect the base station to your router using the provided Ethernet cable. Then connect the power adapter and turn the base station on. If you plan to use a mobile device, download the Arlo app by searching Arlo in the App Store for iOS and Google Play for Android. Launch the mobile app or navigate to arlo.netgear.com from a computer. To set up your cameras, first insert the batteries. Make sure to pay close attention to the battery polarity. Now create your Arlo account for secure access to your cameras. Click New System Setup. Select Arlo Base Station and wait for the app to discover your base station. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete your account setup. Be sure to sync one camera at a time. Before connecting your Arlo cameras to the base station, be sure to bring your cameras within 3 feet or 1 meter of the base station. Press the sync button on the side of the base station, then wait for the sync status LED to blink green. Now press the sync button on top of the camera until the blue LED blinks. If sync is successful, the blue LED on the camera will blink rapidly. If the LED on the camera blinks orange, you'll need to resync your camera. We recommend completing the camera setup before mounting it on the wall or any other surface. Since Arlo cameras are 100% wire-free and indoor-outdoor, they can easily be placed almost anywhere inside or outside the home. Arlo cameras have a flat base and can be placed on a flat surface, like a bookshelf, or mounted to the wall using a magnetic camera mount. The supplied magnetic wall mount can be secured by using the provided hardware. Optionally, you can purchase adhesive with a minimum 6-pound rating from your local hardware store. For optimal motion detection performance, it's recommended to place your cameras at least 7 feet above the floor, aimed slightly down. If you're mounting this into drywall, be sure to use the provided drywall anchor. Make sure the mount is snug on the wall, then simply place your camera on the mount. Arlo comes with 7 days of free cloud recordings, and if you'd like to further expand your system to support more cameras or storage, there are various subscription upgrades available. Be sure to verify your email before your setup is complete. Your Arlo system is now set up and ready to go.
Have you ever wondered what your pets are up to? What mischief your kids are getting into? And if your package arrived safely while you were away? Set up FOSCAM cameras in seconds, and you can easily know what's going on inside and outside the home or office. Keep an eye on your little ones playing outside in high-definition video. FOSCAM's customizable motion and sound alerts will notify you via your mobile phone, keeping you informed of only the important things. Know your home life no matter where you are. FOSCAM's cameras are resilient against the toughest weather and opponents. We all have those unexpected moments. With FOSCAM's cloud playback timeline, easily go back and discover what happened when you're away, even if it's hidden in the past. With the push of a button, you can zoom in on a friend or move the camera around to see what funny business they're up to. With FOSCAM's two-way audio, you can talk back and forth no matter where you are.
You silly puppy, what are you up to?
You can easily share those special moments through the app for the world to see. We all like to take a moment to get away with the ones we love, but sometimes unfortunate things happen in our lives that we need to know about and be alerted to, no matter where we are. With FOSCAM's easy-to-use cloud, you always have access to past recordings for those moments you need to retrieve, keeping your home and family safe. FOSCAM has provided over 5 million homes with affordable, reliable solutions to home security for over 10 years, helping people feel safe and connected to the things that matter most. Connect to your world today with FOSCAM.